Hi, my name is Fayaz and I am the student coordinator at A Online Training and onlinejewelrydesigning.com. In this video, I would like to explain exactly what you will be learning in the online program in jewelry designing. I would like to show you how you can check the free demo class, the course content for the full course. That means if you register for the program, what exactly will you be studying? And I will also show you step by step how can you access the videos and you can see exactly what the training program is all about. So without much delay, I'll share my screen. So first step is you need to go into this particular link called aonlinetraining.com/12. Now the problem happens over here is that a lot of people, they go and they look for this URL in Google. You don't need to go to Google. You basically need to go to your URL bar and you need to type this aonlinetraining.com/12. Now this will exactly, without any registration form, this will show you the free demos. So you can see you have Illustrator, you have Photoshop, and you have Rhino. So Illustrator and Photoshop, they basically make up the 2D jewelry designing program, and Rhino becomes the 3D jewelry designing program. If you want to know the difference between 2D and 3D, I will leave a link in the description box where you'll get the difference between the 2D and the 3D program. But just to make it simple, whenever you start designing, you can't directly design the 3D. First, you need to have the 2D and then you can make the 3D. So for the complete program of jewelry designing, you need to know 2D and 3D. For example, if you're making a ring, so you can't, so first is, rather than making on a paper, you design it on the computer. Let's say you're making a ring, so you'll make the top view where you can see the design, you'll show it to your client. Your client says, no, make correction. So you'll go back, you'll again make the correction, you'll show it to your client. Your client approves this time. Then you take that design and basically you use it as a reference in 3D, which is Rhino, so that you can make the 3D model. So that's the entire pathway how a person works in 2D and 3D. So they are not substitutes. It's not that you can do 2D or you can do 3D. If you want to do this course professionally, we always recommend 2D and 3D. So step number one over here, what you have, you approximately have 15 videos over here. So in Illustrator, you have with you, if you see, there are 8 videos and you need to start from the first video itself. So this is Illustrator and introduction. So we start from the introduction. That is how basic we start. Let's say, just to show it to you right now, let's say I will directly come to how to make a 2D diamond. Obviously, when you do this program, when you are practicing the demo, you will not directly start with the 8th video. You will start on the first video. So there we teach you, we introduce the program to you. We teach you how to make a straight line. We teach you how to curve that line. After that, step by step, the complexity of the design keeps increasing. So that's how the entire course will basically work. Now I have, yeah, so here you come up over here. When I play this particular video, so I'll have to just share my screen again because I'm sure you can't see, you can't get the audio. Just give me a moment. So I'll just share my screen.
Document.
So step by step, if you see over here,
Of
the
my
video
document.
runs. I'll just forward it a
Shape.
bit. So, and here we are
Arrow
basically
tool.
teaching you.
Yeah.
Now, what you need to do is you need to see the video and you need to practice on your computer. You need to email us your files. And on the basis of that, we give you comments, which means we give you corrections. So that is exactly how the entire course works. So to start with, this is the 2D program. If you scroll a little up, you also have Photoshop. So in Photoshop, you see, you work with digital images. So if you see over here, color correction, superimposing jewelry on a model, you have changing different colors, different stones. Now, all this, which you see over here, is a part of the free course, which means even if you just do the free course, you have at least 15 to 20 hours of videos at your disposal so that you can have a look at it and you see exactly how the course works. How the course program works is, step number one, you see the video whenever you want. Step number two, you practice on your computer, create the file, email it to us. We will check each and every file which you have made. And on the basis of that, we give you comments. Comments means correction. Suppose you want to talk to us between 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Okay, so that whatever query you have, we can get it solved. Suppose you want a trainer to assist you live. Before 7 p.m., you need to book a slot so that a trainer can connect with you on Zoom, and whatever query, questions you have, you can basically get it solved. The last demo I want to show you is about Rhino. So Rhino is a 3D program. Here itself, you can exactly see you have 15 videos Okay, you can go through them. You may expect that why I cannot see jewelry over here. When you're learning Rhino, which is 3D program, you have over 40-50 tools. Until and unless you do not know those tools, you cannot design. That is the reason in the free we only have simple tools. Then you see course syllabus. If you want to understand what will you learn in the entire program, in the entire designing program, simply go to the course syllabus and you'll get the course syllabus for Illustrator, for Photoshop. That means in the full course, if you register, if you pay your fees, exactly what you'll be studying, you can see over here. Then the course fees is available here only for 2D designing, only 3D designing, only 3D designing. You can check the course fees here. And if you want to apply for the entire course, you can apply from these links. It will take you to the online payment page where you can complete your registration process. Now, I would also like to show you the paid course. So many times people ask us that, this is the free course, what about the paid course? Obviously paid course access you will only get once you pay your fees, and once you are done with the registration process, only then you get access to those. So I will just show you a couple of videos. Now these videos which you see, these are all part of the paid program. So you can look at the complexity of the designs what you will be learning. Now this video itself approximately is a 50-minute video. So these you will, if you want to see all the classes what we are teaching you, you can see the course content. But this is one of the paid videos which we have. So you can understand, I mean, till what level basically you will be learning in the paid program. So all these videos are already there. It's not that specially for you, we have to go and create videos. No, these videos are already there. You need to see the video, you need to practice. Obviously this program, this design access you will not have, because this is a part of the paid program and not a part of the free program. Okay. So, so this is one video which I showed you from the paid program. I'll again show you another video from the paid program. And regarding this program, if you have any questions, you can always connect with us on WhatsApp. That's a good way for you to basically connect with us. And if you have any queries regarding the program, about anything, getting started about the software, you can always connect with us. We are always there to assist you with whatever queries you have. And on the basis of that, you can take it ahead. So again, so this is one more design. If I simply just play it, again, this is a part of the paid program. So there's a possibility you may find the content a little less for the free program. Obviously, it's the free program, so we have created that so that people just understand what the program is all about. But much more you'll be learning in the paid program. So once again, this link is very important: aonlinetraining.com/Joel, where you will get all the information about the program. Please go through this. If you need any assistance, do connect with us. Thank you so much.